Samsung has been long trying to get a strong foothold in the mid-budget segment, the segment that has been long dominated by OnePlus smartphones. The Galaxy A9 comes at $36,990 at a price which is slightly even more expensive than the OnePlus 6T's base variant. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's find out if the Galaxy A9 with its 4 cameras at the back is able to defeat the likes of OnePlus 6T. Samsung smartphones have been known for their design, and the Galaxy A9 is a great smartphone to look at. You do get a very sleek looking device with glass back, metal frame and curved corners and edges. You'll see at the back also it is slightly rounded to give you a good grip. But the Galaxy A9 is a very big device. At 6.3 inches, it is bigger than OnePlus 6T and does really give you a very ergonomic experience. It is true that many other phones also have this screen size, but thanks to a big bezel on the Galaxy A9, you don't really get good screen to body ratio. Samsung has not resorted to using notch on its smartphones yet, and so you end up getting a phone that is bigger than the OnePlus 6T or even other phones like the Vivo V11 Pro. Also, if you take a look at the styling at the back, the phone has been given a dual tone finish, and although it looks quite good, this Samsung phone ends up looking very similar to phones from Huawei and many other brands that have been using this styling. Samsung has not really brought down the curved display experience, although it still calls the Galaxy A9's display the Infinity display, but the quality is very well similar. You get very good brightness levels, sharp color reproduction and amazing viewing angles. Another good part about AMOLED displays is that their brightness levels can go very low and very high. So if you're viewing the phone at night, you'll see it can be brought down to very low levels, and in bright sunlight conditions, it can be blasted to view the display properly. The active display is also very bright, that is, even when the display is off, the time on it is very easily visible, unlike that on the IPS displays, which is quite difficult to figure out. Another good part about the Galaxy A9 is that it comes with a 3800 mAh battery and is also paired to fast charging. So during our testing, a full battery could give us a full day of usage, and it would charge from 0 to full within 2 hours. Also, you get charging from a Type-C USB port, and beside that, there's a headphone jack as well that you won't find on the new OnePlus 6T. Now we'll talk about the software, but let's talk about the performance on this one. You get a Snapdragon 660 chip, and in this price range you can easily find phones with Snapdragon 845. Though it's true that you won't get that great a power on this phone, but it is easily able to handle day-to-day tasks, and you would see that games like PUBG and Asphalt 9 also play very smooth. Now let's talk about the things that are not so good on the Galaxy A9. And the first and most surprising one is the cameras. You get a 24 megapixel main sensor on this one that works well. In good light conditions, you'll see it takes good pictures that are sharp and have good focus. Thanks to the f1.7 aperture, the light taken by the camera is also quite nice. So in low light situations as well, we didn't find it bad either. But the camera inherently is not very amazing. Nothing that should push you to choose this phone over the OnePlus 6T. I mean, yes, there is a wide angle camera that takes in more area while you're shooting photos, but it does not capture great amount of details. Similar is the case with the telephoto sensor as well. That would get you 2x optical zoom, but again, it's not utilized for portrait shots, and its picture quality is also nothing amazing. On the other hand, the selfie camera on this phone is quite good, but again, it tries to over beautify the face even when the beautification mode is turned off. Although details again are at loss and the color is not really very accurate. One of the major things that Samsung is yet to improve is their interface, and this one comes with Android 8.1 Oreo with Samsung's own UI on top. The app launching is pretty fast, and so is multitasking, but app launch is not as fast as what you would expect on a phone at this price. It is not even as fast as phones that have Snapdragon 660 like the Xiaomi Mi A2. Out of the box, there are a lot of third-party apps, and many of them are from Samsung itself. The fingerprint scanner speed on the phone is very fast, and the scanner is also very easily accessible while you're using the phone with one hand. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A9 didn't really impress us with all of its features, especially the cameras, which we were looking forward to. You do get a great bright display, and the overall build quality and look of the phone is also not very bad, but they're not enough to justify its price tag of $36,990, especially when you have phones in this price range like the OnePlus 6T. Do let us know what you think about the Galaxy A9 in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.